Welcome to the third episode ng 3-Minute Finance. Today, we will start learning how to use yung iba-ibang variables ng TVM para sagutin ang ating mga personal finance questions. And we will start with future value. Sa madaling sabi, future value refers to yung amount ng investment natin in the future. It will tell us how much our money can be kung mag-invest tayo sa isang financial product. Whether stock, mutual fund, UITF, or even real estate, future value can tell us what we can expect to have in the future. Equally important, future value can show us kung magkano ang magiging future expenses natin. Importante ito because how can you invest for retirement or education ng anak if you don't know kung magkano kailangan mo? Yes, through future value, malalaman mo kung ano ang target amount na kakailanganin mo to hit your personal finance goals. For example, sabihin natin, gusto mo malaman how much ang magiging tuition fee for 1 year sa Lasal in 12 years when magko-college na anak mo. How can you make an investment plan kung hindi mo alam kakailanganin mo? Imposible, di ba? Dito pumapasok ang TVM app natin. Dahil gusto natin malaman ang tuition fee in the future, future value hahanapin natin. This means, kailangan natin lagyan ng values yung ibang 4 na variables, so gawin natin yon. Ayon sa DLSU website, mga 200,000 pesos per year ang tuition ngayon. Ito ang ilalagay natin sa present value. Ilalagay natin is negative 200,000. Bakit negative? Kasi yan ang binabayad now. Sa amortization, 0 ilalagay. Sa interest rate, ayon sa CHED, mga 7.5% a year tumataas tuition fees. Finally, sa periods, ilalagay natin is 12 kasi we want to know magkano tuition fees in 12 years. Press equals and makukuha mo agad ang sagot, 476,355 pesos and 92 centavos. Yan ang projected tuition fees for 1 year sa Lasal in 12 years. Halos 500,000 pesos for 1 year, tuition pa lang yon. Minimum 4-year course, di ba? Wala pang day-to-day expenses like allowance, transportation at iba pa. So easily, mga 2 million pesos kakailanganin in 12 years para mapaaral ang isang anak sa Lasal. Paano if you have more than 1 child? Hindi naman pwedeng isa lang ang mag-college, right? Kaya nga as a parent, dapat solid ang financial plan natin for our kids' future, di ba? That's why we need TVM para hindi tayo nanghuhula na parang bulag. If you found this episode useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join us sa next episode kung saan present value naman ang pag-uusapan natin. Thank you for watching.